These are all at the moment I can say they are rumors,
Okay.
but a lot of newspapers or news channels, reporters are reporting on possible cabinet reshuffle, but it is the entire prerogative of the Honorable Chief Minister and also the prerogative of the party, that is BJP party, आमचं सदानंद बाप तनावडे and the CM to decide on this. And we have no right or anything to comment yes or no, or we should there should be reshuffle or anything like that. तेणी दोगांनी पोप जज करचे तें कशें कितें आहा तें सिट्युएशन इन द स्टेट ऑफ गोवा ऑल्सो vis-a-vis to the ministers performance to the MLA's performance हे तेंच्यांनी जज करपाचें.
You were a former minister and you're a tall leader. How do you see how the cabinet functioning in Goa at the moment?
That already is being reported by our news papers and all the press, electronic media. So the report जाता. आम्ही आणि कमेंट करवूच ना.
So ministry for you?